Welcome to Wonkeyjase Top Drives Assist.
Go!
And it's day 179. And what we do is we test pack luck drop rates compared to Hutch's figures and compare it to all the packs that we open in the background. So we've got aluminum, ceramic, and carbon fiber packs. As you see, there's the stats of what luck we should get, and we compare it to real packs that we open. And at the end of it, we give you analysis of how well we've done. So today we're filming from New Zealand. Nice, double ultra rare, sweet. So let's start off with packs. We've got 36 of those packs. Out of those 36 packs, we should expect at least 7 super rares. So we've got 30 rares, that's 83%. That's 3% above what we should get. That's 3% more of the crappiest packs and crappiest cards. So that's not good at all. We've got 6 super rares, that's 17%, down by 2%, so that's not good. We've got 0 ultra rares, that's a minus 1.5%, so that's really bad. And so overall, the aluminum packs were terrible. You say Wonky, I say Jase. Wonkeyjase. We're also on TikTok. And it's crashing again. What a surprise. Woohoo! Very nice. I'm a Porsche collector, and that would look nice in my garage. Sweet. Also rather sexy. So let's have a look at this ceramic packs. We got 54 of those packs. Out of those 54 packs, what we respect? We respect 8 ultra rares and 2 epics. Let's see what we got. So we got 45 super rare packs we opened. I'm sorry, we didn't happen, didn't we? Anyway, well, 45 super rares out of those packs. That's 83%. That's spot on. That's accurate. Ooh, nice one, Hutch. And then we got 8 ultra rares. That's 15%. That's 1% above what we should get. We got 1 epic. That's 1.85%. That's a minus 0.65% of what we should get. And 0 legendary. That's minus 2.5% of what we should get. So overall, ceramic packs were pretty damn poor. Bad touch. Very bad.
Whoa! Whoa!
So let's look at this week's lucky number. So this week's lucky number is number 69. And on to the carbon fiber packs. We got 4 of those little fellas. We got 3 ultra rares at 75%. That's a minus 5%. So that's good because less for Vahor is minus 5% of the crappiest cards. Then we got 1 epic. That's 25%. That's 7% above what we should get. So that's nice. We got 0 legendary. That's a minus 2.5% from legendary. So overall, it's a mixed bag. and a look at the campaign results. And out of those results, we have 4 rare cards, 1 super rare, and 0 ultra. If you're not subscribed, you could be missing out on all those subjects. Welcome to Wonkeyjase. And moving on to the quiz results. So the quiz results from last week are Snorting Saschetti from a Cleftal Horizon. So that's the answer to last week's quiz. No prizes, just just the accolades of getting it right. So we've currently got over 1,100 videos. So if you bought all the packs that we opened tonight, you would have spent £329.74. Now what could you got for that money in real life? You could have gone out and hired a Ford Mustang V8, a 1966 model, and for £329 you could have had it for, I think it's 24 hours. It's either 24 hours or 1 day, one of the two. Nice. So I hope you enjoyed tonight's video, and we look forward to seeing you soon. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And we're also on TikTok, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.